What is up, everybody? Me and Terp Crawford here for a very special, a very exciting, very fun unboxing video for you guys. So I've been waiting for this order, super excited for it. It's gonna be kind of like a two-part unboxing. So I'm gonna be unboxing one main item first, and then I will do the next one in a separate video. So, but I'll be filming it both now probably. But yeah, two different videos. Here we go, we got the giant package! So excited for this! So excited! Maya, are you excited? Terp Crawford's like jumping around, flopping around. He's so excited too. Not gonna use scissors, because I learned that from my last unboxing when I sliced a shoebox. So excited! Rip this open! Get it open! Oh yeah, just rip it open. Bam! They're actually big too! Let's go! Let's go! I'm so excited. They each got their individual tags. I like to see that. So I'll be hanging up the tags. Gotta put everything somewhere safe. Very, very collectible product we got here. So we got our first pillow! The Sunflower Terp, Talking Terp pillow. I mean, it's pretty much the size I expected. And I didn't think these would be so floppy. I thought they were attached, but this is so nice. I'm gonna be sleeping on this every single night. So we got the green with that beautiful embroidery. These are made in the UK, very nice. Super soft, super fluffy. And then the like main pillow part is like more like this, not as fluffy, but it's still super soft. It's more like silky, I would say, or something. I don't even know. And then it's got that nice embroidery, which also has some fluff on it as well, like on the eyes. Yeah, Maya's so excited. She's like, whoa, more friends. See, you got this guy. You love this guy. Maya loves Crawford. Now she's got the sunflower dudes. I guess I'm gonna have to be scared of her freaking ruining the pillows now too, because I was always scared of her possibly attacking freaking Terp Crawford. You wouldn't want that happening. Freaking destroy $100 collectible toy. That would be terrible. Then the main one that I wanted, this was the one that I wanted the most, the blue. I was gonna just order this one, but long story. Is there a piece of weed in here? That'd be funny. They're like smoking up while like doing the packaging. Long story short, got it as a Christmas present from family. So early Christmas present. Ooh, the blue is so nice. Look at this guy. It'd be cool if they had different faces too, like randomized faces. But maybe that'll be in like the version 2 of the pillows. I always like to get the first original versions because you know that's just like the original. Maya, I don't want your hair and toy all over my product here. That's like the original product, the original idea, the original synthesis. It's so great. I think it's made with like recycled product too. I forget. So we have the blue guy here. Same deal, nothing crazy. Some dirt on it from, I guess, the factory. I love the embroidery. It's a huge Talking Terp logo. Fire! So fire. Maya's enjoying these smells. She's like, what is happening? She's like, I'm just going to try and get my rope, try and distract myself. Here, I'll read the tag for you guys. Okay, so the tag says, this toy stands to American toy safety standards. All new materials. Oh, so it's not recycled. 100% polyester, wipe clean only, suitable for all ages. You don't recommend this toy is given to any child under age 12 months. A slight pile, shedding. So yeah, maybe it'll like pill a bit. Hopefully they stay good quality for a long time. Hopefully they don't get dirty. Maybe I'll have to like freaking wash them one day in a couple years. Hopefully I can wash them. That'd be good if I could just toss them in the wash and they turn out okay. But you never know. How's the stuffing on the fluffies? That's another thing. Because this one fluffy has like no stuffing in it. I guess it's kind of like, they're pretty equal. Please remove this tag. Please retain packaging. 2020. Yeah. Or 2022. This Terp toy is a trademark of Talking Terps. Terp Toys, you gotta love it. Terp Toys, Living Inside, Terp Crawford, Plush Edition. I don't know why they used the same tag. They should have made new tags. Oh well. Warm Happy Feeling, Inside, Terp Toys. I guess it's just our like classic Terp Toys logo. They should have made, instead of like Terp Crawford Plush Edition, it should have been like the Sunflower Edition. They should have made a special tag. Because I like the like limited numbered tags. Yeah, it kind of sucks how these aren't limited numbers, like limited numbered editions. Because like even Terp Crawford has like the numbering on his, embroidered on his foot, and then all the other ones come with holographic cards. But this one doesn't come with a holographic card, only these tiny little lame cards. That's lame. Oh well. Still cool. I will still hang them up. Where's somewhere that's not dirty? Like, you don't want to see this desk, bro. It's like, you know, like those nasty streamer desks that have been posting on, people have been posting. In the last one, I got the full collection. I got the 3 triple weight. I think you save like $20 if you get all 3. And then, you know, like shipping 2. So I was like, I'm just gonna get the whole set. Live the dream. Go big. Get all of them. And now I got the whole collection. It'll look beautiful on my couch or wherever I put it. Keep these for my whole life, so it'll just be a beautiful collection to have in my houses. My houses. 123, 120. They're all the same item number. That's weird. I want to see like how many were like have sold. Like, you know, that's what's cool about this one. It's like you get to see how many were left. I'm still surprised this is in stock. If this is 763 out of 1,000, like not many people are buying that. But oh well. I thought it would sell out quick. Then we got the Talking Terps again. This looks like a like upside down like jewel logo. Like what the heck? That's what I was thinking for a second. Then we got the same guy. He's got his little nose. Boop. He's got his little fluffy eyes, embroidered face. Maya loves these. Got the Talking Terps logo. The colors are beautiful too. Like the dyes and stuff they use. Oh, so soft. I'm gonna. Like how? Is there like? How are they wet? Do I have water on me? Like, where is this liquid coming from? I must have some water on me or something. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. This is the part 1. I'll do a preview at the end like I always do, so you can check that out. And that's so nice. I'm gonna be sleeping with all these pillows every single night of my life. The best collection. Okay, preview time.
Being lonely, feel my take you off like a day job. The feeling is up, I'm filling your cup and knocking off your body with adrenaline rush.
Well, so now here we go, boosting up your ego, the villain to my hero. We know, floating over your head ain't no halo. Thinking I'ma save you? Hell no, need help, better call Mako.
Make a line on the payroll, lay low. Only time you know when we say so.
Despite all your wrongs, the beauty in your flaws, when I see you through my eyes, you will always be a winner.
Winner, she winning. Natural ass and big titties, yeah. Stretch marks over bites, we did it. Tongue ring in her mouth, she with it, yeah. Dimples in the back, bring the ass back. Got me doing laps, always gotta stay strapped. I don't wanna burn shit, but I'ma make her earn this. It's not for free, don't need 3 eyes to see. I love it when you wake up next to me. No makeup, wake up and wet the sheets. I swear every day, put you like ecstasy. Yeah, beauty's inside the beholder. Girl, you a goddess, got the world on your shoulder. Hot girl, summer, spring, fall to the winter come. If you play nice, I might eat you like a Cinnabon.
Girl, give me that. Girl, give me that. Girl, give me that.
We lie.
I'ma need that. I'ma need that. I'ma need that.
We lie.
I'ma piece that. I'ma piece that. I'ma piece that.
We lie.
Girl, give me that. Girl, give me that.